let's talk about the right way to harvest rhubarb. So rhubarb has these beautiful red stalks, and when you want to pull them off the plant, you want to pull them. You don't want to cut them. If I cut this, then the rest of the stalk is just going to die on the plant and it doesn't really do anything. But if I pull it, I actually stimulate my bulbs to create more rhubarb stalks. So pick a rhubarb that you're going to go for. Let's see, and I'm just looking for some redness and thickness and that sort of thing. Let's go for this one right here. So I'm going to follow it down. I don't have to grab all the way at the bottom, and I'm going to do a little twist and a pull in the direction that it's already growing. And it comes off just like that. Easy, and I often have rhubarb all the way through August. One more little thing. I've noticed on my plant here that I'm starting to get some flowers. So these little flowers, this bulb is going to turn into a flower if I let it. They aren't harmful, but it makes the plant put energy into the flower and seeds, which I don't need, instead of into these beautiful rhubarb stalks. So when I see that, I do use my clippers. I don't pull these ones off, and I just take it off. If you'd like to see my favorite rhubarb cheesecake recipe, I'll leave a link in the description below. Happy gardening!
Hey, ready when you're ready.
Oh, and twist it the other way. Twist it this way. Good job.